Zoe, come here. You're viral.
Wow, amazing. Let's dance one more time. Oh, what's going on?
Oh, thank you everyone for the gifts. I love it.
Oh, wow, over here too. Who's that star?
One by one, I'll sign for everyone. Calm down. I'm really famous, a true Instagram queen. I'm next level famous. The YouTube gold button is mine.
Come on, we can rule social media together. Wow, this place is ready for TikTok vibes. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching our next videos.
Okay, guys, let's support Zoe, like and subscribe.
Oh, these walls are still empty. Let's decorate them first. Hey, I want the wall to glitter a bit.
Ah, I have an idea. Blue or purple, which one do you like?
They're really cute. Let's use them together.
Okay. Here, let's use some magic. Ha ha ha, done. Adding a bit of shimmer to both sides. And the floor?
Wow, amazing! The whole room is sparkling. I love it.
We'll place your TikTok logo here, Zoe. And all these cute photos, too. And put a chair in the corner so you can chill anytime.
Yeah, a cozy beanbag. Let me sit.
La la la, la la la, la 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 la.
Let's put a speaker here and another one there. Haha, this is adorable.
Look at this. Ew!
Okay. Take 2 pink and blue fuzzy wires, then twist them together. Spiral the wire into a circle to make the base. And this end too. Do it like this. Hee hee, not easy at all, right? Hey, we've got a bauble with fairy lights. Take this top off first. Then put the lights inside. Here, it's done. And yes, it's a working light. Put it right here. Add a charm here, and here. Zoe's dance floor for TikTok trends. Use a circle and attach a stand. A new streaming light for Zoe right here.
Wow, can you see it? The room is moving with the glow.
Do you like it?
Yes. Oh, wow, everything here feels made just for me. So you guys, do you love it like I do? Haha.
Wow, this is gorgeous. Let's build an Instagram room. I know it'll be the prettiest. First, a beautiful wall. Want to add some magic?
Okay. Ta-da! These pink patterns are ready. Which one do you choose?
Too pretty, I really can't decide.
This feels perfect for you. Let's go for it.
Oops, great choice. I'll go with you.
Okay. Let's put it right here.
Yay, looks nice. Maybe we're missing a little touch.
All right, bestie. I've got something just for you. Here you go.
Wow, such pretty flowers. Let's put them on the wall like this. Haha, feels like a dream. I love it.
Over here, Pop. And add this side, too.
Great, next up is the Instagram logo.
Haha, yes. Put it right here in the center.
Hey, Mira, a box just arrived for you. Let's unbox it. I'm dying to see.
Any guesses what it could be? Haha, such cute emojis. Gift boxes go right here, Mira. Oh, a little unicorn friend. We have a vanity. Feels a little plain. Let's make it fancy like this. Stick pearl chains all around. Looks pretty. Sprinkle a few shiny stars too. A perfume, phone, and toner. And all those Instagram photos that got millions of likes.
Hearts, huh? What are you up to?
Haha, a little rug here, baby. Next up, the bottom half of the chair. Attach the base like this. Put them together. On the balcony it goes. And a little teddy friend. Use a rainbow tove. Fold one end like this. Stick it on, and you're finished.
Oh, what's she doing? Time to go hang out in Mira's room?
Okay, perfect. Give me a wink. How about this? Mwah! Yes, stunning.
Haha, what's in that box, Rumi?
I don't know either. Help me see what's inside.
Got it, let's open it up. Oh, wow, YouTube. Throw it in here. Yes, ta-da!
Wow, perfect. I really like it. Maybe we start with the chair first? Ah, there's still a package. Let's check it out.
Over here, Rumi.
Let me see.
Here.
Yes, these are exactly what I needed.
Haha, let's put them here, so cute. Next up, the YouTube logo. A triangle in the center and we're done. Easy peasy. Let's go here.
1, 2, and 3. The rest is up to you.
Okay, baby, let's use this box as the chair's form.
Don't forget to paint it red.
Yes, paint it smooth and even. Use clay to make the seat cushion. Rumi's chair will be extra comfy this way. Make the patterns on the seat like this.
How about this one? Let's attach it to the chair.
Attach it if you like it.
Come on, right here. Here and here too.
The chair will be here. And here's some Lego. We can use it for the chair legs. Let's show off our Lego skills. Yes, totally awesome. Now we add the 2 columns to the tabletop. Ta-da, all done, place it here. And a little shelf goes here. The place for her YouTube Gold Awards. A film light. Her room really feels like a studio. Put a few flowers outside for fresh air. Oh, smells amazing. Fan letters box. Aw, so many love letters, Rumi.
Wow, so yummy.
Hey, Rumi, what's up?
Oh, Ghost, I'm freaked out.
Wow, Rumi, this mask is perfect, cold and relaxing.
Oh my god, so many people love our house.
Oh wow, congratulations! Now let's take a look at the amazing house of the free Huntrix girl.